Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. And today it's 15th of January, and in India it is celebrated as Indian Army Day. India is celebrating its 74th Indian Army Day at India Gate, New Delhi. And Army Day marks a day to salute the valiant soldiers who sacrificed their lives to protect the country and its citizens. On this historic day, our Indian General K.M. Cariappa became the first Indian to take charge of the Indian Army in 1949 from General Sir Francis Robert Roy Booker, who was the last English commander of our nation's army. Indian Army is the second largest in the world with approximately 1.23 million personnel on active basis and 9.6 lakhs as reserve. The motto of our Indian Army is safety, honor and welfare of our country. The day begins with paying homage to the martyred soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at the India Gate, New Delhi. Parades and many military shows which features the technology and achievement in army which are held at Delhi cantonment. Unit credentials and Sena medals are also presented for gallantry works on this occasion every year. Now, it is a matter of profound grief that recently we lost our first Chief of Defense Staff and permanent chairman of Chief of Staff Committee, that is COSC, Sir General Bipin Rawat, in a tragic helicopter crash. His untimely demise is a great loss for not only the armed forces but also for the entire nation. We should feel proud of our Indian brave heroes and salute them for their supreme sacrifice which they are doing every day. Now we remind few words of Captain Vikram Batra, that is, either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor or I will come back wrapped in it. But I will be back for sure, which is actually motto of each and every soldier of our country. Let us celebrate Indian Army Day by saluting all the army personnel for their bravery, dedication and patriotism. We should also be thankful to all the army people and our soldiers for serving our country and protecting our freedom and people. Happy Indian Army Day to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Matram.